Welcome to Daily SciWanders with its first video. Today we're diving into the mouth-watering world of cooking, but with a twist. We'll uncover the fascinating chemistry behind some of your favorite dishes. So, get ready to satisfy your curiosity and your taste buds. Let's start with the basics. Cooking is essentially a series of chemical reactions. One of the most fundamental reactions in cooking is the Maillard reaction. It's responsible for the beautiful brown crust on your steaks, bread, and even coffee beans. This reaction occurs when amino acids and reducing sugars combine at high temperatures. That's what gives food its enticing aroma and flavor. Speaking of steaks, have you ever wondered why your meat turns brown when you cook it? That's due to another fascinating process called oxidation. When meat is exposed to heat, the myoglobin inside breaks down, and the iron ions react with oxygen, turning the meat brown. It's not only about aesthetics, it also influences taste. Now let's talk about boiling. When water reaches its boiling point, it undergoes a phase change from liquid to gas. This change is crucial for cooking pasta and vegetables. Plus, the steam that escapes can carry away unwanted odors, leaving your food smelling and tasting better. But what about baking? Baking relies heavily on chemical reactions. Baking powder and baking soda are two common leavening agents. They release carbon dioxide gas when mixed with liquid and heat, causing your cake to rise and become fluffy. Now let's explore the mysterious world of sauces. Ever wondered why a sauce thickens as it simmers? It's because of starch molecules. As the sauce heats up, starch granules absorb water and swell. This thickens the sauce, giving it that luscious consistency you love. Finally, let's not forget the role of taste. Our taste buds are designed to detect 5 primary tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. The chemistry of flavor compounds interacting with our taste receptors creates the delicious symphony of flavors in our mouths. There you have it, the chemistry of cooking in a nutshell. Next time you're in the kitchen, remember that cooking is not just an art, it's also a science. Understanding these chemical reactions can help you become a better chef. You enjoyed this video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on Daily SciWanders. Thanks for joining us, and happy cooking with a dash of science.